Gitama kia giturwa kia gavana wa kaunti ya Kajiado kiracenjia hakuhi o mweri ni undu wa uritu wa ndegwa cia uteti iria kiraguciriria. Mweri uyu uria wari muikariri giti wa NTSA Francis Meja akianirira itanya riake ria kwenda gutongoria thirikari imwe ya kaunti iria nene muno na kiama kia UDA. Gutonya kwa Meja ihenya-ini riri kwaya kurituhia ithabu ria kiama kia UDA kaunti-ini ya Kajiado tondu riu ndegwa ithatu nicio cire ihenya-ini ria tigiti wa hurubaru iria ni hamwe na mutumia wa mbere guthurwo ta mubunge wa kurugamirira gicigo kia ubunge rūrīrī-ini rwa ūkabi Peris Tobiko na mubunge uria tungatite ihinda iraya kaunti-ini ya Kajiado o kuma mwaka-ini wa 2007 Kato Ole Metito, othe makiheo mwihoko ni kiraniro kia munini wa president kia wamurani wina waragania.
Leo mimi natangaza kirasmi, mimi nang'ang'ania kiti ya ugavana wa Kajiado katika chama ya UDA.
Na Kato Ole Metito, mbunge wa miaka 20 kwa hii kaunti, ninaomba kura zenu niweze kuwa gavana wenu mwaka ujao.
Kajiado County inahitaji kusafishwa. Si mnajua tunahitaji kusafisha? Nani wanasema gavana ni mama, gavana ni mama, gavana ni mama, gavana ni mama.
Akigeria kuuha rūrīrī rwa ūkabi, munini wa president anyitirire ati haria atongoria aria othe marenda giturwa gia president nowe ungihota kunyitithania bururi na uteithiririe gutacukia makinya maraya mothi wa na mbere ambiririe na haria president Uhuru Kenyatta agatigira.
We respect the independence of the judiciary, and the UDA administration is going to operationalize the judiciary fund so that the judiciary shall bow to nobody and the judiciary can be truly independent so that they can discharge their constitutional responsibility without bending to nobody except to the law and to the constitution.
Thutha wa president Uhuru Kenyatta kuhanania mbĩtĩka ya giturwa gia president na ihenya ria gutuĩkania ng'ongo riria ribataraga unyitanĩri mundu atekwĩgũma, athiriti ya munini wa president manyitirire ati matingĩgũithagũithia ihenya riao tondu kĩoneki kĩrĩa menakĩo gia bũrũri nĩ gĩcerere.
The young people in this country and the people of Kenya are getting extremely impatient with a failing economy, impatient with mediocrity in leadership, impatient with political conmanship and political betrayal. Therefore, if you find us impatient, please forgive us, because we want to be the generation of Kenyan leaders that wants to emancipate our people from the poverty that you have subjected us to.
We want to tell our competitors and their supporters, including our friend President Uhuru Kenyatta, the contest has been defined. IEBC has set in motion the next election. Sisi tuko na candidate ambaye anaitwa William Samoei Ruto. Na huyo William Samoei Ruto sisi hatumungi mkono kwa vile yeye ni Mkalenjin. Hatumungi mkono kwa vile yeye ametoka Rift Valley. Tunamunga mkono na tunampeleka akuwe rais wa Kenya kupitia chama hii kwa vile ana track record.
I want to tell the young people of our nation that their waiting will not be long. We will make sure next year, and I want to tell you the proposals being made by my competitors, ati kwanza next year ati watarudisha rege, ati wapange vyeo na mamlaka ya viongozi. I promise you that is not going to be our priority.
Muthenya wa rucio munini wa president agacoka kirima-ini rita riri agikiambata arutitie na Nyeri kuria kambika kambe ya thiko ithatu mbere ya tonyete kaunti-ini ya Laikipia. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma tauni-ini ya Ilbisil kaunti-ini ya Kajiado. Njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.